This video shows the process of welding the floor extension to the truck. An alternative version of bolting the floor extension to the truck is shown in the bolt-on floor extension video. Find and mark the center of the truck's rear sill. Use a white marker to mark the center of the floor extension. Also mark the finish weld locations with a repeating 2-inch continuous weld with a 4-inch gap. Make your marks from both ends inward towards the middle. Prior to welding, we suggest spraying the truck body sill and the floor extension with an anti-weld spatter spray. Take precautions to avoid welding sparks or the flame from a cutting torch coming into contact with the truck bed's wooden floor or other flammable components. Using a lifting device, center the white mark on the floor extension with the white mark on the truck body. You may notice that the floor extension has a natural bow in it and it must be straightened as it is installed. With the center of the floor extension level with the floor of the truck bed, begin tack welding at the center and work outward. Make sure the extension remains level and flush with the floor of the truck bed. Weld across the bottom of the floor extension in 7 to 8 locations. If a galvanized floor extension and dock bumpers are being installed, the galvanized material must be removed prior to welding. Refer to the installation manual for the proper procedure. There is also a special procedure to follow when welding galvanized material to a stainless steel truck body sill. If a walk ramp floor extension is being installed, weld both sides of the support gussets to the truck body sill. Next, tack weld both dock bumpers to the floor extension and the truck body. Make sure the dock bumpers are both parallel to the floor extension and perpendicular to the truck body. Once you have verified the floor extension is straight and level, finish welding it to the sill of the truck body with 2-inch long welds every 4 inches. Always wear the proper breathing protection when grinding or welding. Use a ventilation or vacuum system to remove any contaminated air from the work area. Follow all OSHA and other workplace safety standards when grinding or welding galvanized steel, which creates zinc oxide fumes. Always grind the coating off in the area to be welded and provide adequate ventilation to avoid breathing the fumes. Weld the dock bumpers to the floor extension and the truck body sill using a continuous weld. If not already installed, weld several installer-supplied strengthening plates between the top and bottom edges of the truck body sill. Weld and/or bolt the side gussets to the dock bumpers. Next, weld the side gussets to the truck body. If welding to the truck body cross members, make sure it is welded to at least 3 of them.